Connecting with nature has numerous benefits for mental and physical health. This video explores how spending time outdoors can enhance well-being and reduce stress. Spending time in nature can lower stress levels, improve your mood, and increase overall happiness. It provides a natural setting for relaxation and reflection. When was the last time you went for a walk? Engage all your senses during a walk in nature. Notice the sights, sounds, smells, and textures around you. This practice can deepen your connection to the environment and enhance mindfulness. Integrate spending time in nature into your daily routine by visiting parks, gardens, woods, or even bringing plants into your home and workspace. Regular exposure to green spaces can boost your mental clarity and creativity. Make it a habit to spend time in nature regularly. Aim for at least 20 minutes a day to experience its calming and revitalizing effects. Well done on learning about the importance of nature connection. By making nature a part of your daily life, you're fostering a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Enjoy the tranquility and rejuvenation it brings.